can see behind me, this is the Jagannath temple जहाँ से मैं अभी आ रही हूँ. And cameras and mobile phones are not allowed inside, इसलिए अंदर का कोई vlog है नहीं. And it's a beautiful architecture inside. And if possible, there are 3 times when you should come to this place. सबसे पहले 7 to 8 in the morning. सेकेंड 12 to 1 के बीच में जो अभी का टाइम हो रहा है. एंड देन देयर इज वन टाइमिंग इन द इवनिंग जो आई डोंट नो, बट अपेरेंटली बिटवीन दीज टाइम्स यू कैन विजिट जगन्नाथ जी बहुत क्लोजली, जो बाकी टाइम्स अवेलेबल नहीं है. So if possible, do that, and do come here if you're in Puri or even in Bhubaneswar, because this is one of the Char Dham, and I mean, if you've come all the way, you should definitely come here. Oh shit! You have a lot of sunscreen on. And यहाँ पे शैक्स भी लगे हैं जहाँ पे मम्मी जी बैठी हुई हैं. And but nothing is for free, so you have to give like 30 rupees to sit here, but you can sit here जब तक you want.
That's for an hour.
Oh, what? I thought जब तक you.
नहीं.
No, that's for an hour only, guys. So we are at the Udaygiri caves right now, and there are 2 caves here, the Udaygiri cave and the Khandagiri cave, and they're called the twin caves. So we are at Udaygiri right now. And again it's too hot and I'm traveling alone. So देखिए, la people looking at me like I'm crazy, but whatever. From this place is exquisite, बहुत प्यारा, but you will get tired because there are a lot of stairs and ubad-khabad rasta. So I recommend that you wear shoes because otherwise you might fall, and if you fall you will go straight to the khai, and that is something that you definitely don't want. At the Khandagiri caves right now, and fun fact, you can even see the Biju Patnaik airport from here. ऐसे पता नहीं दिखेगा कि नहीं, but you can, because I just saw a flight taking off. And the entry for Udaygiri caves is 25 rupees, but for Khandagiri the entry is free. So yeah.